Morning everyone, we are back with Roxy's Journal of Stitchery, and today is the new prompt, something sentimental. So I was sitting here this morning procrastinating and doing a bit more cantha stitching, which I really love on this, and then I remembered, oh my goodness, I have to go and pick up Lulu 2 hours earlier, so that's in a little while I have to leave. So I thought I better get on and do my video. Last week I had pinned these on temporarily because I need to see what I'm going to add on. So I received this from my dear friend Pam, Pandora's Junk Journals, and also this gorgeous thing, and I think that is going to be perfect. So that is definitely, look at those colors with what, I mean, this is going to be fairly quick prompt because I'm putting on something sentimental from Pam. So I think I'll put that there. Will I leave that on? I quite like that. Maybe I liked it the other way. Put that there and put that back there. Yes, I think that's how it will go. So that over there, this one's going to go on here. I like that there. Now here, this is a little big. I'm wondering if I might not have room for it. I may only put one sentimental thing on. Just let me see. So I could put it there. Maybe put that there. I don't mind that. Let's just play with it. I've got all that white there, so I need to do something with that. I definitely want to put that there, have that there, that. And I have this tag that Helen sent me, and I'm going to pin that on somewhere when I've finished. I also had this piece from my mum. Anything that my mum does is sentimental, but I don't really have a space for it, and it's a bit of a different style, so that will go somewhere else. Now I'm just thinking, I'm going to open it up a little bit. So something sentimental could be even a lace that someone gifted you. In my case, it's embroidery that were gifted to me. And it could be anything really. It could be a special button, a special brooch, anything like that. Something sentimental, something that is special to you for whatever reason. So I'm thinking I could put a laundry label there. Maybe a little bit of lace. I put all my laces away. These are all sort of applique sort of things, so I don't think I'll use any of those. No, okay. What else do I have flying around? I usually have quite a few things flying around, so I could have a piece of ticking. Oh, look at this. Maybe a blue ticking. Let's just see that there. Let me just try a little piece of blue. Okay. Do I prefer blue or red? Kind of like more. No, I liked the red. Okay. Well, we'll use the red. I'll just put the blue over there in my little basket that will be used somewhere. I'm going to put that there. That's too much ticking. I just thought I'd try. And then I'm just going to hop up and grab some laces. Sorry, oh my gosh, I'm making a big mess, guys. Just dropping things on the floor. That's going to be too big. What about this one? I have some laces and I have some trim here, some old trim. So, oh no, I'm going to pull it off. Today will be my decision-making day, which is not always easy. So I think I'm going to have that. I could change the color of my yo-yo. Actually, I could put my yo-yo between the two. Bring it over a little bit. Yes, something like that. Oh, I really am pleased with how this project turned out. So I have this. No, that's overkill. Don't want that. Now I need a little lace, and it also will depend what type. I might not find the right thing. This is going to be too wide, I think. Too wide. Don't mind it, a little piece there. That one's no good. I may not have it, what I need in here. No, it's not looking like it. Oh, that one's pretty. Maybe just a little bit there. Okay, I'll do maybe some stitching down there, and I want maybe a laundry label. Oh, just a minute. Do we have too many round things happening there? I could do some buttons. Here they are. Wasn't quite sure where I put them. Because it's a lot of red, isn't it? I'm just going to choose one that I like the look of. Like that. And Pam, see, it reminds me of Pam too, because she would put laundry label on, she puts a lot of laundry labels on things, but I don't have her initials. Just trying to see if there's one I prefer more. I think I like that one with the H, the swirly H. Otherwise that one. Maybe this one. I also like the colour because it's not white, it's a crew. This one. I'm going to put that there. There's going to be stitching there, and there I will have added my treasures, sentimentals. Okay, well, I will stitch those down with invisible stitch, and then next week we will do some like a little bit of stitching on them, and then I need to finish a few little areas off. Let's just have a look now. That I need to put a center, and I may put a couple of leaves or something, and then it's nearly pretty much done. I can't see too many areas where I feel like I need to do more stitching. Just over here I need something, which I'm not sure what I would like to put there. Let's bring this old trim back. Like what I could do, but I couldn't do it now, I could have it like a little tab coming off the side, but I need to put the backing on first. Yeah, that's a thought, so I think I might leave that. Or I could just add this little piece. No, don't like that. Okay, yep, that's what I think I'll do there. So that is my video really for this week. As I said, I have to go and get Lulu in a minute, so completely forgot. I was thinking that when I realized, I'm like, oh my gosh, you silly woman, what are you sitting around procrastinating for? Get on with it. So yeah, I'm loving that little corner there. And next week we'll finish it off, and we've got to finish that bit off there, and then it's time to construct it, which I have no idea what I want to do. I haven't even thought about it, but I'm thinking I'm just going to put a backing on it to here, and some tabs, and then I can put a rod through it, and then it can be a wall hanging. Tabs, or I could put little loops. No, I put a rod. I don't know, I'll have to think about it to make it into a wall hanging. And when it will be hung is beyond me, because you know, our walls are new. You know, since last year we renovated, and we're too scared to put holes in the wall. So it may be folded up in a cupboard for a little while until we build up the courage to put holes in our wall. So there we go. So I look forward to seeing what your sentimental bits and pieces are, and have a wonderful week, and I will see you again soon. Bye.